Hello viewers, how are you? Again, welcome to my channel. And in that channel, as you know, that all the fashion related items, especially ladies fashion like mehndi design, dresses design, dresses with pintex and lace, and other design of ladies fashion share within that channel, and hairstyle and others, different type of mehndi design, and this type of simple plain color of dresses can also be uh, watch. You can watch in that videos and channel also. So you people must watch skill, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because by subscribe you will be able to notify all the newly videos, because in that channel you will be watch different type of ladies beautiful designing dresses. You know that, as you know that the dress is too expensive, some people can't buy, so for that people simple dresses like plain fabric they can use, and with lace and tassels, buttons they can make beautiful. So you can watch in that video with this. Basically I have a main focus on um, latest design of ladies beautiful stylish colors like these. You can watch this beautiful color, you must watch still, and don't forget to subscribe. This is the design that is also unique, and you can watch again this design that is very unique and stylish, and you can make according to your own choice. And as you know, there's summer season coming, and you can make this design according to your own choice. And you know that plain dresses more ladies like more as compared to anything, because plain dresses but with stitching you can make them more beautiful. If you are tailor, then you can stitch uh, more beautifully, and if you are not, then you can stitch from any other tailor, and by taking screenshot of any design, and you can design this type of beautiful dresses. All the dresses are unique and beautiful according to their own design, with lace and printings. These design make beautiful. Mostly people ask me if become conscious, beauty conscious, and they prefer more beautiful dresses like color combination. So here you can take an idea of hair color combination, and the designing ideas, and other stitching ideas you can take, and the different type of designing ideas are sharing in that. uh, you can watch a beautiful design of sleeves. I hope all the design that I'm uploading on my channel for you people, you people must like and enjoy. All these design are so beautiful and unique. You must watch till end, because this design you can taking screenshot and design from any designer or tailor. In that way you can make beautiful your dress that is a simple plain, but you can make it beautiful by lace tassels, all these stitching things. And I hope you people like and enjoy. If you like, then you can tell me in comment section, so that I can be idea that you people are liking my all the videos that I'm uploading on my channel. Stay connected till watching. Goodbye.